In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use email list segmentation within Mailerlite. Email segmentation is a powerful tool that allows you to target specific groups within your email list, ensuring that your message reaches the right audience and improving the effectiveness of your email marketing campaigns. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of segmenting your email list using Mailerlite. First, head over to Mailerlite's official website. You can do this by simply entering Mailerlite into your preferred search engine and clicking on the official site link. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the option to log in. Click on Log In to proceed. If you're not already signed in, you might be prompted to do so. For a quick and seamless experience, select the Sign In with Google option. This takes just a few clicks and spares you the hassle of remembering yet another password. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Mailerlite dashboard. From here, look for the Subscribers menu, which is typically displayed clearly on the dashboard. Click on Subscribers to access a list of your current email subscribers. Here you'll have the opportunity to begin segmenting your lists, paving the way for more targeted email campaigns. Next, you will see an option labeled Choose a Filter. Clicking on this opens a versatile filter menu where you can define criteria to segment your audience. This is a crucial step because it sets the parameters for how you want to slice up your email list. For instance, you might choose to segment based on subscriber activity, demographics, past behavior, or any number of other attributes available in your Mailerlite account. Once you've opened the filter menu, it's time to select your filter type. Let's say you decide to segment by group. After selecting this filter, you'll need to choose an operator. This step further refines your parameters and clarifies how the filter will be applied to your email list. Click on the option labeled Choose an Operator. For our example, you might use an operator like does not belong to a particular group. This selection is vital because it defines how inclusive or exclusive your segment will be. After choosing the appropriate operator, select the specific group as part of your filtering criteria. With these selections in place, you'll have effectively carved out a segment from your existing email list. Now, to solidify this segmentation, click Save as Segment. By saving it as a segment, you've essentially created a new audience filter that you can utilize in your Mailerlite campaigns going forward. Congratulations, you've successfully created a segmented list in Mailerlite. This newly refined list will allow you to tailor your emails more specifically to your chosen audience, boosting engagement and success rates in your email marketing efforts. Remember, well-targeted emails are more likely to resonate with recipients, and segmentation is an essential tool in achieving this precision.